Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Zebronics ZEB 200HM multimedia headphone with microphone. Now on the front side of the packaging, you can see what the product looks like, and a couple of features have been called out at the bottom. First being that this has an adjustable headband. You've got soft cushioned ear cups. It uses a dual 3.5mm jack for connection. It's compatible with your PC, and the mic boom is adjustable. On the right hand side, you can see the brand ambassador along with a little quote. Same goes on the other side. Nothing on the bottom. On the top, you've got the brand name and the model name. But the important stuff is on the back side, where you can see the list of specifications. So the driver size in the drivers in either of the ear cups happen to be about 40 millimeters wide. Speaker impedance is 32 ohms. Frequency response is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Sensitivity is 105 decibels. Microphone impedance is 1.2 kilo ohms. Microphone sensitivity is minus 58 decibels with a tolerance of 2 decibels. And connector type happens to be dual 3.5mm jack. We've already seen that. Cable length is 1.8 meters, and the entire thing weighs about 197 grams. Over here, you've got the manufacturer's contact information, and that's about it. Let's go ahead and unbox the device. On the inside, you've got the headphones with the microphone. The headband is adjustable, as it was mentioned. You've got cushioning on the ear cups, and the headband is also cushioned. The microphone boom is adjustable and it does come down. Lastly, the cable is 1.8 meters long, as stated on the packaging. We can open it up and see that it is indeed easily over 1.5 meters. And at the end, you've got the connectors, which are the dual 3.5mm jack. These happen to be color coded, and they've also got little symbols to indicate exactly what they're used for. Green is typically used for the speakers, and pink or orangish is for the microphone. And you've got the icons on them depicting the exact same thing. So that's it for the unboxing of the Zebronics ZEB 200HM multimedia headphone with mic. Thank you for watching.